Hey there, what keeps you up at night? You know what keeps me up? It's seeing incredible coaches and healers struggle to make the impact they deserve, all because they're afraid of email marketing. And I get it, I really do. When I first started out, I was terrified of sending emails. I thought I needed to sound professional and perfect. Oh boy, was I wrong. So let me share something that changed everything for me. After my husband passed away from cancer, I knew that I had to make this work. My children were counting on me. And that's when I discovered something fascinating. The real secret to email marketing is not what most gurus are teaching. It's not about writing like a New York Times bestseller. It's not about following complicated formulas. Or, worst of all, trying to sound like someone else. You don't need to be an English language expert. You don't need fancy copywriting qualifications. And you certainly don't need to use overly aggressive, pushy sales tactics. Here's what you do need. It's all about creating what I call the connection bridge. So think about this. When you meet someone in person, you don't start by throwing your business cards in their face, right? At least I hope you don't. You connect. You listen. You share stories, right? Your emails should do exactly the same thing. Now, here's what most people miss about email marketing. There are 3 pillars to profit, and these apply to email success as with every other aspect of marketing. The first is connection. You need to make your readers feel seen. The second, clarity, showing them the exact path forward to achieve the desired outcome, to achieve the goal that they want. And the third, confidence, helping them believe in the possibilities that you can deliver. Let me just share a quick story. One of my clients, Sarah, was struggling to get clients. She had amazing healing abilities, but her emails were stiff and formal. We changed one thing in her approach. Instead of writing those professional style emails, she started writing like she was talking to a friend over coffee. The result? Her open rates doubled, replies flooded in, and most importantly, her calendar started filling up. Because here's the truth. Your email list is not just a list. It's a community of real people looking for real help. Now, let me show you what really works. The welcome advantage for email success. If you start with a story to grab attention, share some valuable insights to build trust, and then create clear pathways to inspire action. And here's the most exciting part. When you combine authentic connection with clear messaging, something magical happens. Your emails become bridges, not barriers. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Carrie, I'm not a writer. Well, here's the beautiful truth. You don't need to be. You just need to be you. Something that might actually shock you. Did you know professional copywriters charge between $300 and $400 per email? But you don't need to spend that kind of money. What you do need is a system that shows you the psychology behind high converting email sequences, the types of email that's going to work for each stage of your client's journey, from stranger through to client. and how to structure your messages for natural conversions. And that's exactly what I'll be showing you in my upcoming workshop, From Interested to Invested. You're going to learn how to craft emails that convert interest into investment in a way that feels completely natural and aligned with who you are. Because remember, your success lies not in pushy sales tactics, but in creating those authentic connections and clear, compelling messages. I'm Carrie Wallace, and I can't wait to help you transform your email marketing from overwhelming and scary to exciting and profitable. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more insights on building a thriving coaching business. I'll see you in the workshop. The links to registers below the video. And remember, I know you can do it. So why the hell not? Your genius deserves to be shared with the world.